If you're creating a new Shirtsy Dropship shop using Squarespace to host your website, we're here to guide you through the process of adjusting products and shop options to make your online store truly your own. If you haven't yet connected your Shirtsy account with your Squarespace account, click the information link at the top right to learn how to do that first before you start editing your shop. Let's get started. First, sign into your Squarespace account. Here you're greeted by your website dashboard, the central command for managing your website's various activities. Click on the website with which you have connected your Shirtsy Dropship account. Once here, you will see the website's home menu on the left side of the screen. From here, click on Pages to see your website's store. If you haven't yet set up a store, you will need to click the plus button next to Main Navigation to create a new page, and then select the Store option. Once you have your store page created, click on it in the navigation panel on the left to begin editing your store. In order to edit a product, click the Products options on the left and click Edit to open up the product menu. From here, you can edit all of the aspects of your product. First, you will want to change the base price of the products as it is automatically set to $27.99. Whatever you add to this number will represent your own profits. In the Organization section, you can add tags and categories such as hoodies or t-shirts to create a smooth and easy shopping experience for customers checking out your store. Once you're satisfied with your title, description, and settings, you'll want to scroll down to the Visibility section and change the visibility from Hidden to Public to now make this product available in your store. Once complete, hit Save at the top right of the screen. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your Shirtsy product and shop settings on your Squarespace website. Don't forget, our Shirtsy support team is always available if you need help. We're thrilled to have you with us and can't wait to see what you create with Shirtsy. Happy selling!